Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So, the Dogecoin holder, this is technical analysis and live price prediction video. Kindly holder, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friend, this time the Dogecoin price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing now. So, therefore, I'm very excited, my friends, to see this. But holders are doing very huge mistake to their starting selling. So, therefore, I will just and only notify you, my friends, to don't starting selling. Hold it. I hope in upcoming time the Dogecoin price will increase and they will make you millionaire now. My brothers, Dogecoins holders are doing very huge mistakes, so therefore I will notify all of you, my friends, to please don't do this mistake. Otherwise, you will be completely lost and you will never get a profit. So, my friends, Dogecoin in the previous 7 days very badly decreased now, so therefore I will notify my friend the CEO of Dogecoin to please be ready for his risk and what you will need to do in the same time to be safe from loss. So therefore, my friend, I will also you notify you to please be safe from the huge dumps now, my friends. So therefore, in upcoming days, my price target is very low because, my friend, this is not possible, my friends. We will hit this target. We will hit this target. So thanks for watching, my Dogecoin holders, my viewers. Please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.